Guys, Eric Sargent, General Manager at Ed Martin Toyota in Noblesville, Indiana.
Dustin Cronkite, New Car Sales Manager at Martin Toyota.
And today we're going to show off a 1.5-inch spacer from Toytec for a 4th Gen Tacoma or a J250 series Land Cruiser. Let's get started. All right, we're going to start by taking a couple consistent measurements from the non-lifted black one and the blue one that's got the level kit on it. So we'll make 2 measurements. One we'll do from the middle of the center cap to the bottom of the fender flare, and then on the second measurement, we're going to go ahead and go from the ground to the top of the ear dam. Okay, so we're going from the middle of the center cap. So we're exactly 20 inches from the middle of the center hub to the bottom of the fender flare. Perfect. Slide over. And then on the one with the Toytec lift, we are just under, actually we're exactly at 22.
Yeah, so we got a good 2 inches almost.
2 full inches. All right, so moving on to the ground to the bottom of the top of the ear dam. Yeah. We are at 17. And on the lifted model, then on the lifted one, we are at, say 18 and a half.
18
3/4.
Yeah, 3/4.
Okay.
Just under 2 inches total on that part. So on the black non-lifted Land Cruiser, you've got an 1/8 of an inch of rake, meaning the front end of the vehicle is going to be sitting about an 1/8 of an inch lower than the middle point of the vehicle or the rear of the vehicle. On the blue lifted Land Cruiser, the level kit made the vehicle exactly level, so there's 0 rake. Front end is just as high as the rear end or the middle point of the vehicle.
So our final measurement is just going to be rear height, which of course isn't really going to be affected by the leveling kit, but just in case you're looking at buying one of these and you want to make sure that it fits in your garage, we're going to go ahead and use our tallest vehicle that we have here in stock, which is this lifted model with the spacer lift, but with the factory OEM roof rack. So we're going to go ahead and put the level on the highest point in the rear of the vehicle, which is over the shark fin antenna on the OEM roof rack, and we're going to go ahead and take a measurement and see what that is. And it should be 77 inches. Thank you so much for watching the video.
Please subscribe, leave any comments, any type of questions you may have, please reach out. We'd love to help out with any feedback. I'm pretty excited about doing all these new builds of this Land Cruiser. This is a very, very good way to get a nice lift to throw an oversized tire on this vehicle for not a lot of money. So any questions, please reach out to us, but stay tuned in and watch for more. Take care, guys.